Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So for Solana, what needs to happen here for a possible bullish breakout? We're exploring still the option here of a breakout for Solana. The option is definitely there. There are a few key levels that need to hold. Predominantly the key level that definitely needs to hold is here the 2580 level, because if we break up below that, that would invalidate all of this bullish count and we can expect some much lower prices for Solana. If, however, those levels hold, and ideally also the 3085 level holds, that's an important swing low, then we can focus on higher for now. We can focus on higher. So far, what based on this bullish wave count would be expected that this was a wave 1 to the upside. We have then made a wave 2 low. This is the count that we can follow as long as the 3085 low is holding. Then we moved up in another wave 1, did not break through this key resistance area that I gave you as a key resistance area. Then we moved down in another wave 2. So basically you have a 1, 2, and within this next wave 3, you have here another 1, 2. Basically where we would assume we are now in the wave 3 of the wave 3. Within this, we moved here up already in a 1, a 2, a 3. Let's just calculate if the wave 3 target was reached. That's usually the 1.618 Fibonacci extension level. And not quite, not quite. Would have loved to see here the 3988 level. We missed it. Remember in the previous video where I told you that in the next wave 3 here, we should get to that resistance area. Well, we didn't quite get there. Shows rather weakness in the chart. But that is what ultimately needs to happen. So if we assume wave 3 is finished here, didn't quite get there, maybe because Bitcoin started to reverse, then still in the wave 4 now, we're already maxing out what we should be doing in a wave 4. So if this is the wave 4, we should not get below 3622. So watch out for that level. If we go below that level, then we've got a different situation. Then we have to assume that probably here something like this happened. That we've already seen the impulse up and that we're now coming down in basically what is another wave 2, because this would then count as within the green wave 3, which would be somewhere up here. As another 1, and we're now coming down in a 2. So if you go below, what did I say, 3620, I can also give you then the next levels to watch out for. So the next levels to watch out for, in my opinion, I mean, if we break below 3620, I think we're looking at here 3520 to 3433, between the 50% and the 61.8% fib level. If this doesn't hold, next support would be at 3314. So we can highlight this area here. I make it only between the 50% and the 61.8% fib level, but know that we can also go a bit lower. Crucial is that in this move down, we are now holding that 3160 level, that swing low here. And from here, we could then start to move up higher in a wave 3, because this would then be a 1. Now moving down in a 2, only if we break below 3620, and then move up in a wave 3. Target for that, depending on how low we go, let's say we go down to the 50% retracement or the 61.8, would be $48.40. And you can see I already formulated this target for you here before. That's a key level that would be matching that significant swing high here that we ultimately need to get above. So next target for the bulls are definitely to take out this $40 level. That would bolster the idea of a wave 3 rally. Definitely. Now we've got this other target in the way here at 42.87. That will need to be taken out, but this would all be done in the process of a wave 3 rally. So if we get stuck here somewhere, we are not in a wave 3 and we will need to focus on lower. So this is where we are. So currently lower prices expected here. 3620 will be key support. We have a chance to turn around here. If we break that, then getting into the green range here. Ultimate target or ultimate goal is to hold the 3160. And until we get below 3160, we can focus on higher prices in a wave 3 with key resistance at $40 and 42.80. And it should then ultimately lead to 48.42. Good, and that's my view here about Solana. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.